Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Kakenhun Menteri Jangka Sorkar Jylla ka apun truk leber arajar pausan klemenjo de kejing terwa ban ai Shuti casual leave ka balai paus Sngi ki Nongtrei ka Sorkar Jylla. Habakran cikilar petai kubor nong aiktin Jangka Sorkar Jylla ba po lingdo ubrang ru Menteri ka Sorkar ulong ba kladan kejing pinbet ya ka circular ni kejing pinbena ka berim ka ba ki Sngi Shuti kerpang balasya ya ki Nongtrei Sorkar ban Shim kilong tang khasan Sngi hakashisnam. Shushu ulai thuru bagi Nongtrei Sorkar ke Shim binta hakajing lekai sports anyo bet bagi trei ka kam but oram kenshu bagi dan hakajing Shim Shuti. Kakum kajing ong jong u kini ka nyarap ru ya ka Jylla ban penbiang kajing dan kam tam na ka binta kajing penkre ya ka lempung lekai National Games ke ban salong house nem arajar ponyo.
The grant of special casual leave to state government employees. There was an existing arrangement, a circular, which has now been found to be outdated, where the number of days allowed for government employees to avail of special casual leave was just 15 days in a year. We decided today that the number of days would now be doubled to 30 days. And more importantly, the need to allow government employees who are also taking part in games, sports and athletic meets. And whenever such occasions where various sports and games requiring the participation of government employees is concerned, that particular period will be treated as a period where government employees are actually performing their duties and will not be counted as leave. This will also help the state in meeting various requirements, especially in view of the forthcoming national games.